which calculator to use for the CFA FRM exams. Firstly, we have to use a financial calculator and scientific calculators are not allowed. In the financial calculators, the institute allows us to use either a Texas Instrument or an HP calculator. Texas Instrument calculator is what we prefer and what we want to use because it is more convenient to use. In the Texas Instrument calculators, we have two options. One is the TI BA2 Plus, Texas Instrument BA2 Plus, and one is the Texas Instrument BA2 Plus Professional. The Professional calculator is expensive in Indian currency by approximately 1100 rupees or so. The non-professional version costs around 3400. The professional version costs somewhere close to 4500, 4700 or so. The prices might be fluctuating a little bit. Second, the professional version has a metal body as against a plastic body of the non-professional version. And third, most importantly, the professional version has two additional functions. One is a net future value calculation and second is a discounted payback period calculation. Not very important, not very relevant. Most students, in my experience, what I've seen is use the non-professional version, and even the advanced function that is not available can be very easily calculated with just a step or two with the non-professional calculator as well. So my recommendation, use the non-professional version, absolutely not a problem. In a ballpark figure, I could say 90% students would be using the non-professional version of Texas Instrument BA2 Plus calculator.